Hello everybody, hope that you are very well and welcome to this really quick update that I have for you on the Bitcoin chart. Obviously we have just seen a massive move down here, a massive move down on the Bitcoin chart and a very quick move down at that. And I thought, hey, there's going to be people that want some assistance and here I am to assist you. We're going to be running through the Bitcoin chart here as quickly as possible. So obviously Bitcoin, as you know from this morning's video, I was long on Bitcoin, still am in longs on Bitcoin. And we obviously were aware of our next level of resistance to the upside, a massive key level that we had to be aware of. Obviously that was the pitchfork, top of the pitchfork in confluence with our weekly level. If we add those levels back onto the chart, we can actually see exactly what happened here. Move up, we got our move up into that weekly level. Obviously this was a level that one had to be aware of, and you were aware of it if you watched the video. Weekly level of resistance, what we actually saw for that was a swing failure pattern. Swing failure pattern is a bearish pattern. On top of the swing failure pattern, what else did you have? If you bring out your Fibonacci retracement from the high down to the low that was obviously at the time, we also had the CC. On top of that, we obviously had the weekly. So we're talking about three levels of confluence here. We're talking about a swing failure pattern, which obviously equals short. We had rejected from the monthly and the CC. That's three strong levels of resistance. Even on the Twitter, I was telling people, this is the level that we have been ready and waiting for. This is where you have to be taking profits on longs or taking short positions. Okay, it's used as a level for shorting, take it profit, or both. Okay, this was such a key important level to be aware of. Myself personally, I did take a short position off of this. Okay, why? Because, well, really simply because we had a swing failure pattern on the weekly off of the CC. Like, this is a trade that I'm going to take every single day of the week. And I did do a members update before this drop, after we had obviously hit that weekly, telling everybody I have taken a short position. For me, it was just a hedge, because this is the really important thing to remember. I don't want this to go on too long. There I am. Exactly as predicted. But obviously we had the drive 1, drive 2, and then the 3 drives pattern is obviously another move down towards the low. And then I'm not even joking, probably about 10 minutes after this stream end, we see a massive move to the downside. And I mean, this, at the end of the day, you just have to be prepared for the upside. If we had broken, held the weekly, we had to be prepared for another move to up, and we had to obviously be prepared should that swing failure pattern and that short drop down even more. We're obviously prepared for the levels to the downside. So thankfully we had the levels marked out, we were ready, and well, quicker than expected, I'm not going to lie, but nevertheless a quick move to the downside. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want you to be scared by this, I don't want you to be fearful by this. I just want you to remember this was truly very technical. Yeah, it was very technical. Swing failure pattern off of the weekly on the CC. At the end of the day, if you are trading the charts, this was without a doubt a level to be shorting or just taking profits on your longs. You have to protect yourself. Number one thing you have to do is protect your capital. This was clearly a level to do it. Okay, from that we obviously have now seen actually a 3 drives pattern, but it's obviously with increased massive volatility. I think we have to look at this as the resistance is clear as day. Let's be honest. The resistance right now is clear as day. It's clearly the weekly zone. Yeah, this is the level to reclaim for the bulls to see any further moves to the upside. Such a massive key level, and you cannot say I didn't give that one to you, by the way. Very massive key level. Okay, to the downside, I think it's definitely more of a zone. Okay, it's in my opinion, without a doubt, more of a zone. Obviously, you had that. You have the daily still. There's a daily which I've removed temporarily for this video, but there was a daily about 57,000, and you obviously have the lower daily at 56,000. These are should we break down again, but currently the reason why yes, it's a really quick move up and it's a really quick move back down, but it's still technically trading well. Perfect rejection from a level we were without a doubt waiting for. I mean, myself, I took a short from this. Why? Because it was a rejection from resistance. So at the end of the day, yes, the move up was quick. Yes, the move down was even quicker, but it was still respecting the technicals on either side of this. Okay, so currently you have the 3 drives. All I would say is exercise caution. Really obvious level of current resistance to the upside, clear as day for me, very easy. Levels to the downside, well, obviously we still have that monthly, which can add as a breaker now, and obviously should we lose that, we'll move down towards that naked weekly point of control, and then obviously the lowest support is the daily. Don't be fearful, don't be scared. At the end of the day, I just want to wrap it up really quickly here and just say, make sure you have your plans. You need to know your technical levels of support. You need to know your technical levels of resistance. And Yeah, there we go. This was before the dump, 7:25. It's like in the members live stream, I was just saying, just be prepared for this, okay? I hope you've enjoyed this really quick update. I just wanted to bring you it very quickly. If you have enjoyed this, smash the like button to a new all-time high. Smash the likes. Show me that you love these updates, and I'll be happy to give you more. So yeah, thank you ever so much. And that's me signing out. Thank you, and I will catch you tomorrow. Cheers.